One way that students really learn the lessons in these courses is to take action and to practice. And so for the practice for this course, I want you to go out and shoot a long exposure photo of your own. There are two different types of long exposure photos that I ask you to shoot, and you could pick one or both of them. One is a night shot. Typically you see the light streaks of a car, maybe a freeway overpass. This is the first type of photo that you can take, and I'm going to be showing you how to take those photos in this class. The second type of photo that you might want to take is of water. Water really does look magical in long exposures, and so if you do have a body of water close to you, a river, a lake, an ocean, you can try practicing long exposure with a water shot. So once you take one of those photos, you can do either or you can do both. Please post it to the class so that the rest of the students and I can check out your amazing work. Thanks so much for watching, and let's dive right into the content.